Alright, so we're back to arguing what it means to be in a recession, so we have to settle this debate once and for all because they asked the American people whether they thought we were in a recession, and I've got the results because this pie chart right here shows that 65% of people living in the US believe that yes, we are in a recession. That's shown in red. Now the other 35% of people also believe we're in a recession, but shown in blue. Just kidding, just thought I'd break the ice at her. Way, the economy had a super important week this week and an even more important month because on October 27th the Bureau of Economic Analysis, the BIA, is going to release what's called the IR advance estimate for their third quarter GDP. So here's what all that means. Remember, the GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, and it measures how much stuff a country makes. We want this number to be as high as possible, but most importantly we just want this number to be positive, not negative. Now each GDP estimate has three of them. We have the first, or what's called the advanced estimate, the second estimate, and the third estimate. Each one gets more and more accurate. Now when we get the first, or the advance estimate, it's usually the most important one because it tells us what the economy's been doing, whether it's been shrinking or it's been growing. For now, economists are trying to do their best to predict what they think will happen.